Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we will learn how to view tier benefits on your WestJet account. We will also include links for some of the banking products we recommend in the description below. To start, open the website westjet.com, then click on the Sign In button. On the fields provided, enter your email or WestJet Rewards ID and password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says WestJet Rewards. Then on the drop-down list, click on the option that says View My Account. After that, you will be redirected to this page. Under Account Summary, you will see a teal-colored text that says View My Tier Benefits. Click on View My Tier Benefits. That's how you view your tier benefits on WestJet account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.